in straight off of work for you, okay? Today am going to be unboxing my Christmas tree, and this is like my meditation corner. I have a lot of like Palo Santo, sage, just different things. That ain't even the point. I have a lot of things in this corner for my spirituality and meditation and all that. So you will be seeing me shift that to my office, which I'm going to make my new sacred space or whatever. I'm going to be shifting all of these things in this corner to my office, and then unboxing my Christmas tree, putting it up here and doing the decorations for that. I don't have any gifts as of yet, right? But I do have an idea for some lighted gift boxes that I'm probably going to do and add to my Christmas tree. So that's probably going to be another day of Vlogmas, but I'm not sure when I'll get to that. Anyway, like I said, I'm just getting off of work, so I'm about to take a shower, change into something comfortable, and get to work for you all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in there.
Oh, bring us a big pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So I bought this house last year in July, and I had a lot going on with the move and just a lot of things, right? So I didn't have the opportunity to decorate for Christmas last year. And so this year I decided that I was going to go big, right? So I bought a 9-foot tree, and this tree is a lot bigger than I expected. So I just gotta kind of rethink this. I gotta figure out how I'm going to do this tree, because it is huge. I'm just hoping that my ceiling, I guess I'm gonna have to move this light. I suppose it'll go in this corner. I'm just gonna have to move this light out of the corner and put it elsewhere. And I'm gonna have to shift down my couch and my 2 coffee tables to give it a bit more space. And I guess that'll probably be fine. So let's just see. When I first started decorating for the holidays, I had this little $25 tree that came from Family Dollar that was supposed to be 6 feet tall, but it was probably 4.5, 5 feet at the absolute very most, right? So when I bought this tree, the packaging says it's 9 feet tall, and I opted for a few more inches because I thought that I would have to compensate the way I used to have to compensate with my 6-foot tree. I used to have to put my 6-foot tree on a table to make it stand not even higher than this tree. But the point is, they have given me every bit of the 9 feet that I paid for. So I'm really happy about that. But I am concerned about how I'm going to get to the top of this tree. But it is a beautiful tree, and I will actually probably link the link from Amazon of this tree in the description box, because I paid, I'm not sure how much I paid, I don't want to quote it, but I think it was, I don't know, close to $200 for this tree. I'm really not sure, but I just feel like that was a good steal for a tree this big. It is a lot bigger than what I thought. So
if you have ever decorated a tree, you know that it takes a lot for an artificial tree to like spruce out those branches. So I'm going to call it a night. Well, I'm not calling it a night, but I am calling it a night on decorations because I have assignments to do for my shadow work group, which may be another video, just depends on how I feel. But anyway, I have some reading and writing to do, so I'm definitely going to call it a night for decorating. But stay tuned for part 2. I think this is going to be a really cute idea. I also think that I'm going to need more ornaments, lights, and decorations because, yeah, this tree is huge. I wasn't expecting it to be that big, but it is. So until next time, I'll see you on the other side. Bye.